Hi students, today we will discuss about the one of the important question of mutual funds. What do you mean by in a mutual funds? Mutual fund is an important segment of the in financial system. So it is also important to the in financial system. Mutual fund is a non-fund based in special type of institution which act as a investment conduit. It is essentially a mechanism of pulling together the savings of a large number of investors for collective investments with an avowed objective of attractive yields and appreciation in their value. Mutual fund is a financial service organization that receives money from shareholders, invest it, earns returns on it, attempts to make it grow, and agree to pay offers a investors a proportionate claim on a portfolio of assets that in a value with the give a comprehensive concept of a mutual fund. What is mutual fund means ఏంటంటే mutual fund is a financial services of organization. It receives from money to the shareholders and invest to the money. It can be earned to some money. It is also in mutual funds. In next one, importance of in mutual funds. Importance of mutual funds that can be in following to the some points. In first one, mobilizing a small savings. Mobilizing a small savings. Mutual funds are mobilized by way of selling units. A unit is a proportional share of securities in the portfolio of a mutual fund. Small fund investors get benefit a portfolio investment with the small amount of their savings. So mobilizing the in some selling of units. It can be small investors get benefit of in portfolio. So the small investors also that can be in saving to small money, small earnings of money. It is also in mobilizing small savings. In second one, investment avenue. Investment avenue that can be mobilized funds are invested in various types of investment avenues. Investment avenues are shares, bonds of various companies and industries. For example, gold, deposit, government bonds, and money market instruments, etc. So that can be involved to the in investment avenues. Investors can get opportunity on the portfolio of assets proportionally. Individual investors may not invest in all these investment avenues. It is also investment avenue. The next one, professional management. Professional management, it is also in mutual funds that can be utilized to the in professional experts, and expert manages the investment portfolios efficiently and profitability. Investors are free from taking risk of in buying and selling of shares. It is also in professional management. In fourth one, diversified investments. Diversified investments that can be involved to the small investors. They can enjoy the benefit of in portfolio investments through mutual funds. Mutual funds have the advantage of in diversified investments in various industry segments. In next one, liquidity. The liquidity of a mutual fund in investors can buy and sell their units in the secondary market. In case of closed-ended mutual funds, in case of open-ended mutual funds, the investors can withdraw holdings at any time at a new asset value. So it is also in liquidity. In like next one, less risk. Mutual funds investment involve in very less risk because the fund is managed with the professional experts that can be in a carrying to the that can be maintained to the in professional experts. Portfolio investment diversification and the economics of scale in transactions cost. So less risk in mutual funds. It is also in very less risk. And next one, legal protection. Legal protection. The legal protection that can be Securities Exchange Board of India, SEBI. It is the regulatory body of securities market in India. It provides the regulations and guidelines of a mutual funds. The SEBI that can be guide to the mutual funds and investment funds also included. In next one, tax benefits. Under the provisions of Income Tax Act, the investors of mutual fund can get tax shelter on their investment in a mutual funds. So it is also a very important question. Thanks for watching.